And in this series of videos, I'm going to be walking you through a little bit of the technology that we will be using for this program. First and foremost, I do want to introduce you to Slack. If you have already used Slack before and you're very comfortable with it, please disregard this video. You don't need to waste your time watching it. However, if you do want to refresh your memory on how to use it, maybe it's been a while since you've used it, or maybe you've never used it before, please stay on this video and we will go from here. I will also be giving a brief demonstration on the first day on how to use it as well. So the first thing that's going to happen after you receive your welcome email from me with a bunch of details in it, including this link to this video, you are going to get an email and it's going to look just like this. So it's going to be an email, says something like this. It's going to look like this. Please check your junk folders if you don't receive it in your inbox, and you're going to click Join Now. Once you click Join Now, it is going to open up Slack and it's going to ask you to make a password. That password is your own. I don't know what it is. I can't get into your account. So if you have trouble accessing Slack after you have set up your password and your account for the first time, just go to Slack, to the login page, enter in your email, and ask for a password reset. It's as simple as that. Simple as just if you had lost your password for any other kind of program you use. So I like to use the application on my computer and my cell phone. Some people prefer to use one or the other, and some people like to just access it through the web browser. Now, you are going to have all the options in the world at your disposal, and I'm also going to link some helpful articles to help you through doing any of that if you need. But here, let's take a look at what it looks like to log in using the web browser. So you're going to go to slack.com and you can click sign into Slack. Next, you're going to see these options here. Lots of people get confused when they get to this page. Don't worry, you're going to enter in your password here and you're going to sign in with your email. Next, you are going to get emailed a code. So I'm going to bring up my code on another screen here and I'm going to enter it in. So you're going to get that in your email. Again, if you don't see it in your inbox, you can go to your junk spam folder and it should be in there. Next, it's going to show this, Launching Common Sense Mediation. You can also use the app. It will open up for you. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I have lots of channels. Likely, the only channel that you're going to see is this one here under channels. Okay, and a couple important notes here. You can set up your profile so you can make a picture. You can add details about yourself here. So you'll always be able to find my cell phone number and my email address right in Slack if you click a picture. Okay. So if you already are an avid Slack user, you might have more than one channel here, but if not, this is likely the only channel that you're going to see. It's very empty right now, but I'm going to be posting lots of course communications, documents, resources for you throughout our time together. So this is going to be a really active place, and you can connect with other people that are in the course here. You can post your questions, all sorts of course communications. Now, whenever I ask you to send me something, I want you to use this direct message feature, okay? So it's right under where channels are. You're going to click that little plus sign. You're going to enter in my name. And you're going to click that attachment and shortcuts here, upload from your computer, and you can upload whatever document it is that you need me to have. So let's say I wanted myself to have this one here, and then I could send that right there. Okay, simple as can be. And the reason why I want everything sent to me through the direct messages is then I have everything in one location and it's really easy for me to send to national. One more thing here for you to know is this part here. So this is the Common Sense Mediation Workspace URL. You might at some point, Slack might ask you for this. So I'll just show you what happens if I just type that in. Keeping in mind that I'm signed in right now, if I type in that URL, it takes me directly to that workspace. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like if I'm not signed in. Okay, so let's say I'm not signed into the workspace. I enter it in. Oops, here we go. Enter, and see it's asking me to sign in. So again, this is the password. This is my individual password that I set up. Here's my email address, signing in. And there we go. I'm back in that workspace. So that's as much as you need to know about Slack. If you need more information about Slack, please visit the tutorial links that I've sent you that have articles and more videos that you can watch. In addition, you can always reach out to me directly and I can walk you through how to use any of these features. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to working with you throughout this course.